Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the file and immediately selecting the text layer you want to make clickable. Once selected, make sure the text content is final and styling is set so link behavior matches the design. If you need new text, press T and type, then set font and size. You do this now because changing text later can break targets. After that, move to prototype mode to attach an interactive link. This prevents accidental edits while wiring interactions. In prototype mode, drag the circular node from the selected text to the destination frame or paste an external URL in the interaction panel. Choose the appropriate action. Navigate to move between frames, open link for external URLs, or overlay for pop-ups. Once done, pick the trigger. On click is typical, and tweak animation and easing so transitions feel natural. Make sure to test internal links separately from external ones, because open link opens in a new tab while navigate stays inside the prototype. Now preview the prototype and click the link text to verify the target opens and the animation behaves as expected. If sharing, copy the prototype link and test on another device or browser to confirm external links open in a new tab. If something fails, reattach the interaction node, ensure the text layer is topmost and not blocked by invisible layers, and confirm URLs include HTTPS, / or valid formatting. Once fixed, lock layers you don't want changed and save a version for tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.